Your home has equity, and one of the smartest ways to use it is reinvesting it back into the property. Here is how cash-out refinancing works for home improvements. A cash-out refinance replaces your existing mortgage with a new, larger loan. The difference between the two is paid to you in cash at closing. You can use that money for renovations, additions, or upgrades that increase the value and livability of your home. Here is an example. You owe $300,000 on a home worth $500,000. That is $200,000 in equity. With a conventional cash-out refinance, you can borrow up to 80% of the home value, which is $400,000. Subtract your existing balance of $300,000 and you have access to up to $100,000 in cash. VA cash-out refinance is even more flexible. VA allows you to borrow up to 100% of the home value in many cases. For veterans in Solano County, this is a powerful advantage. Which improvements add the most value? Kitchen remodels, bathroom updates, and adding an ADU or extra living space consistently show the strongest return on investment. In Solano County, ADU additions are especially popular because of California's favorable ADU laws and the potential for rental income. Here is the important comparison. A cash-out refinance typically has a lower interest rate than a home equity loan or HELOC, and you get the security of a fixed rate. However, you are resetting your loan term, so consider whether the total interest over 30 years outweighs the project benefit. At Stacey Solutions, I help you compare the cash-out refinance against a HELOC or home equity loan so you can see which option makes the most financial sense. Book a free consultation. The link is in the description.